I will talk about on delay timer. What is on delay timer? On delay timer is a type of timer. When we trigger it, it will delay the output as per the program time. As you can see on my screen, I have one on delay timer. You can see here the trigger. This is my input. From here I will trigger the timer. This is my output and T is the timing. You cannot connect anything here on this terminal. Now, for demonstration purpose, I will show you how does it work. So let's take one input. This is my input 1, I1, and I will take one output which is Q1. Q1 is my output. Let's do the connection. I will connect on the trigger point of the timer and output will be connected here. Okay. And now I need to set the time for how many minutes or seconds you want to delay your output. So double click on the timer, then you can select any timing. So I will set 5 seconds. Here you can change to hours as well, to minutes as well, and to seconds as well. So and you can give any name to your timer. I will give just delay timer. Okay, delay timer 1. Okay, you can see the name delay timer 1. Now let's see the practical. So let's do the demonstration. As you can see, I have the input I1 and output Q1. So the input is off now. Our output is off as well. Now I will switch on the input, and after 5 seconds the output will be on. Let's see. You can see the input is on but the output is off. After, you can see now after 5 seconds Q1 is on. Now if I switch off, the output is off. Let's see again, triggered, and you can see after 5 seconds the output is on. So this is how delay on timer works. Let's talk about the next type of timer, which is called delay off timer, which is the opposite of delay on timer. Let's take the block diagram. You can see here this is delay off timer. Now what is delay off timer? This will delay the off time. When you switch off your input to the timer, it will still giving output until the program time. So let's see how does it work. I will take one input, which is I1. I will take one output as well, which is Q1. Now let's see, do the connection to trigger point to Q1. And now I will tell you one thing here. As you can see in delay of timer, I have one extra terminal which is denoted by R. This is a reset input. If you want to switch off the timer before the program time, so you can give any command on the reset, so the timer output will be off at the same time. So let's see how does it work. I will take one more input to show you the reset function of the delay of timer. So now we have two inputs. I1 is my trigger input and I2 is my reset input, and Q1 is my output terminal. So let's go to the demonstration. Now you can see both inputs are off and the output is off as well. Sorry, I did not set the program time, so let's set the delay off time. I will set it for 10 seconds. You can select same function, apply. Okay, you can see here the timing as well, 10 seconds plus. Okay, now both input I1 and I2 is off, so the output is off as well. Let me trigger I1, so at the same time output will be on, but when I switch off I1, the output will be off after 10 seconds. Let's do the demonstration. Okay, you can see I1 is on, output is on. So let's now off I1. You can see I1 is off, but still the output is continued, and it will be off after 10 seconds. You can see now after 10 seconds the output is off. Okay, let's try the other input, which is the reset terminal. We will off the output from the timer by switching on input 2. Let's switch on the timer. As you can see, the timer is on, the output is on as well. Now I will press the reset. You will see the output will go off. You can see I2 is on, so the timer is no more giving output. Let's release the I2. You can see as I release I2, it's again started giving output. Okay, let's do the other trick. Now you will see in the normal condition, when I switch off I1, the output will be continued for the program time, which is 10 seconds. but when I press I2 before delay time, the timer will stop giving output. Let's see. I will switch off I1. I1 is off, the output is still on. Let me on this one. As you can see, as I switched on I2, the output is off before the delay time. So this is how our reset input is working. So this is how the delay off timer and delay on time works. I hope you will enjoy now this video. Let's talk about the next device. So the next device is on off delay. Now this is one timer which will work as delay on as well and delay off as well. So about this timer I will discuss in my next video. Please keep watching. Thank you very much.